Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am showing you some really random stuff that I recently purchased from Amazon. They have nothing to do with fall or anything. I just think that they're things that I may use or things that I may need, but let's just jump right into this. Okay friends, welcome back. I am very excited, like I told you in the intro, because in this video, I'm actually showing you a couple of things I recently purchased from Amazon, and they have nothing to do with fall, or maybe they do, but they're just random things that I thought were very interesting, and I wanted to share them with you all as well. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna link it right over here for you all, because I share a lot more daily content and daily inspiration for decor, fashion, all of that stuff. So please go ahead and follow me over there as well. And without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. The first item I got was this little beautiful tiny little glass vase. As you can see, it's super pretty. I love the color. It was $10 for this, and I thought I could style it because I'm in the process of remodeling my apartment. So I thought I could style it in different sections around the house. I can change it according to the season. So I thought it was really pretty. So this is one of the items that I've got from Amazon. Everything I got is going to be linked in my bio. The second thing that I got from Amazon, believe it or not, is a candle. So this is an item that I had kept in my cart for over a year. I found out about these candles last year, and I literally wanted one, but it was like, I don't want to spend the 20 something dollars for the candle. It was $20+. So I know it's a little more on the pricier side, but I really wanted this candle. It's called the Florida candle, made by HOMESICK. They make different candles from different states, and I thought this was a really cute little thing to have, especially now because I am feeling sometimes a little homesick with all this isolation and quarantine, but I'm going to open it because it smells delicious. I've already smelled it. It's supposed to be woody, mangroves and Spanish moss mixed with smooth vanilla and amber, undertones of Florida finest citrus. I'm here for it. It smells delicious. Like, I cannot wait to burn this candle. I really haven't burned it because I'm waiting for my apartment to be fully remodeled for the holidays, and I have a specific thing in mind that I want to do with it. The third item that I got from Amazon recently, I saw DIY Danny talk about this, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna test them out. These little cones for crafters. If you are a crafter, a DIYer, a creator like I am, these are a lifesaver. I actually have used them in a couple of projects before, but these things are amazing. They literally hold everything that you are working on. If you don't want it touching a specific surface, or you need it elevated, for example, if you're working on cabinets or a tabletop or something, you put these under, you set your working space over it, and it's perfect. It holds up to 350 pounds. I love these. These are a must-have, and they were only less than $10 for a pack of them. So must-have if you are a DIYer or a creator. This is one of my favorite purchases. Love them. Okay friends, so those were it for like the trinket stuff. Now, I actually ordered another one of these. I ordered 4 boxes of these floor pop tiles. I love them. I love the design on these. I'm actually using them in a project on my kitchen counter. So if you are not following me on TikTok, follow me over there because I gave the entire breakdown of how I did it. But I love this design. I love the boldness. They were only $11, so I ended up ordering 4 boxes of these. Obsessed with this product. So if you're trying to spice up a room anywhere in your house, these are amazing. You don't have to commit to paint. You don't have to commit to permanent tile. These are peelable to peel and stick tiles, and they are awesome. I used them in my bathroom floor before, and you can pretty much put them anywhere. Like, they are so durable. So 100 times I will get this over and over again. Alright, so moving on to another item that I purchased that I really don't have a use for it yet, but I wanted it because last year I wanted to get it and it was completely sold out everywhere. So this year when I saw it was available, I jumped on it and I finally ordered it. SnoFlock. Oh my goodness, because I am flocking my Christmas tree this year. I know we're about to hit the holiday season, and there is a project that I want to do, and I got this bag of SnoFlock. It's supposed to cover a lot of things, like a lot of surface with this. So this is plenty. It was sold out last year. It was crazy to get. So I finally got it, and I'm very excited because I cannot wait to start flocking my Christmas tree. I was just browsing and I saw this cute little clutch for less than $7. I was like, I'm gonna get it. Why not? It's a cute clutch. It's comfortable to carry. I can put my cell phone in there. It comes with a little chain that I really haven't even taken out of the plastic bag. This next item I really did need. Last year, I lost my earmuffs, and it gets really, really cold in Atlanta sometimes, and I hate having my ears cold. I don't care so much about my face, but my ears, I just don't like to have cold ears. So I found these little earmuffs. They were less than $6 for these, but look how cute these are. They fold, first of all, they fold, and they have this little fluff thing on the inside. I love this. And then when you put them on, they go around your ears like that, and it's perfect. Keeps you warm, keeps you super comfortable, and they feel super soft. Again, it's less than $6 for these. I thought it was a great little purchase, and it's an awesome stocking stuffer as well. Okay friends, in my last purchase, I was actually influenced by Lone Fox. He bought this and I was like, let me check it out. Went online and I am obsessed. I recently ordered a new couch and I thought this was perfect for my new couch. But look at this amazing blanket. It is so soft. Oh my god, like I love this. I honestly thought it was going to be super expensive because it looks very expensive. It looks like it could have come from CB2 or West Elm. So I love this blanket. It is so cute, so soft, and it's very long. Like I actually love the fact that it's French on the ends. It gives you that boho vibe that I absolutely love. I literally fell asleep a couple of days ago on my couch and I had this on and it felt so good. So yeah, this was a little under 20 something, $25 or something like that. But it's a great gift, great blanket. I can use it over and over again, switch it from season to season because it's a neutral, but it does come in different colors. It would make a great gift as well, and it doesn't break the bank. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, I loved putting this little video together for you all and giving you all these ideas and things, showing you the things that I recently purchased. They make so much sense to me and they are 100% quality that I recommend hands down. So they make great gifts, great stocking stuffers for anyone you love or yourself. So head on over to my Instagram as well. Follow me over there. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Let me know which one of the items you saw today was your favorite. And lastly, the journey is what brings us happiness, not the destination. Don't let anybody stop you from chasing your dreams. Keep working hard and make them come true. Love you all. See you on the next one. Bye.
I'm up for you, runs in our blood for better good. And I know why you're beside me. I can feel it now, what you told me about. I can feel it now.